Hello, my viewers. I welcome you all at Molly Rock Poultry Farm. Thank you so much for viewing, subscribing, and liking my videos. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing. Yeah, today I've come to share with you something which is a success. How can you become successful in local poultry farming business? Yeah, first of all, success abasinga obungi when you are doing your project, when you are doing your business, you the owner of that business gw'omanya nti either you are successful or not. So tewayagenda kumanya success yo okujjako you the one who is running a business or a project. So success does not come overnight. It takes time, dedication, and passiveness. So, my dears who are outside there, going local poultry farming, think about success and think about the time you are going to take when you are still putting in some money. So with the log poultry farming, you cannot become successful within 1 month or 2 months. Success takes some good time. Even in other business, we are looking, we are let's say looking, look at the boutique, the wholesale shops and so on, be it hardware, even in any other business, success does not come overnight. It takes time. So even in local chicken farming or in local chicken business, it takes time to become successful. And with the success, you have to be patient enough. You have to be patient enough. That's why sometimes we find people nga yandibadde are succeeding in one way or the other naye because of lacking patience na kumekereza nga she or he has ended the business because of impatience. So my dear sware, think about success in dog chicken and think of the time you are going to take when you are not yet successful. And in this business of local chicken, uh, somebody may ask me, Molly, are you successful in that business you are doing? As I have told you, you who is looking at me, who is watching me, you cannot get to know that I'm successful or not. Nze akola business, I'm the one, nze manya nti either I'm successful or not. Kati bwe nabona okimbuuza emirundi bingi ne nagamba nti yes I'm successful, ne bwe nagamba nti no I'm not, nga sigwa running business eyo si ojja kugamba alimba tulimba alimba ali successful naye tagala tugulira mazima nagamba nti yes yagasha so the person who is running a business or a project yamanya because gwe obeera omanya engeri biki by'oteekamu, manyi ki gw'oteekamu, ssente mmeka z'oteekamu, era mu kumanya okwo mw'ova n'omanya nti either I'm moving on or not. So my dears, while gwe nadigogana naye somebody asked me, Molly, you've made a year. How are you looking? How are you going to move to continue with the business? Namugamba I'm doing well, so I'm planning to move on with the business. So uh, with the success nga bwe nkugambye, don't think that you will see anybody nti nga succeedinga oba nga succeedinga. Era bw'obeerawo nga you are waiting olinze kulaba mule asucceedinze yakoze biki, ojja kulaba ng'olabe bulabi naye nze who is doing this thing nze mmanya nti I'm successful or not. And another thing I wanted also to share with you is failure. Failure is inevitable, my dears. Failure is inevitable. Learn from it and keep moving forward. This business of local chicken, even in any other business, uh, Time comes when you are like failing. But as I have told you, I've said that in this business of local chicken, you have to be patient enough. Yeah, time comes when you feel like, think of the days, some like 1 month back, the feeds have been very, very, very expensive. Then you find some farmers have failed, have totally failed because of the number of chicken they have, even the money they have. So somebody has failed because of the expensive things, the feeds he or she has to buy. So what am I trying to mean here? People, if you are in any business, think of any challenge that is likely to come, any abrupt challenge. Oyinza okugamba nti ate kati ffe twamanya nti emmere ejja kugwawo, ejja kubeera ya bbeeyi. My dears, you have to think all those things if you are entering in a business, such that you have a plan for it. Yeah, when we are entering this business, I always tell you, the time too will come that the neighbors or your relatives or your friends bakuba nga bakubira mu kintu nga bagamba mola awedde mola tagenda kuyitawo biki biki yakwata kafu naye my dear bw'olemerako n'otewulirizanya nnyo 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 bintu ebyo, you can become successful. So, my dears, failure is inevitable in any business. Toyinza kunga nti waliwo business bit wano e Uganda, abali wano e Uganda musobola okunjira, tewali business yogenda kutandika nga teriimu buwonvu na bugga na nsozi. Buli business wabeerawo ekiseera w'otuuka nga erimu emiseetwe ng'eri flat nga buli kimu kitambula bulungi nga bwe wakibala. Then time kineetuuka nga mulimu omuyaga, mulimu ensozi nga bikuyuya bizze eno bikuze eri nga ffe season gye tubaddemu wano eno emabegako emmere ebadde ya bbeeyi kati ezo ze ensozi ze tuwalampa. So oba otandika business yonna olina okumanya nti mubeeramu ensozi. Yeah. Then I also want to talk about time. Your time is limited, my dears who are watching me. Your time is limited. So use it wisely and delegate whenever possible. As you are seeing me here, I'm Molly. I always tell you that for me, I target myself. Bwenakizuula nti munnange time is limited. Netandika okumanya nti kati mu busomesa nina omalayo ebbanga bwe riti. Nenga mu bulunzi bw'enkoko buno era nina obudde bwange bwe neepimira bwe nina okumala mu nkoko zino. Ne mmanya nti kati, in fact, even in any other business, well, time too will come nga tokyasobola. Now I'm becoming old. Ekiseera kigenda kutuuka nga sikyasobola kuwalampa madaala ga nkoko ezo. Nga sikyasobola ku training abantu bentraininga. Nga sikyasobola kuyiriba nti ate kati ddeeridde n'okola bw'oti kola bw'oti. So buli kimu ky'okola kikole ng'oga nti obudde bukola ki? Buweddeyo. Think of the year we are going to enter into. Omwaka gugenda kutandika, tugenda guyingiramu. But what is your plan? Buli mwaka oguggwako gwe guba gukoze eki? Gugenze. So you have to put something, I want you to put in your mind is time is limited. Akaseera tulina katono. So kakozese wisely. Kozesa akaseera koyina wisely. Oleke kwejjusa nti ate obudde bwange nabukola ki? Nabwomera. Some people bannenya, Molly lwaki waleka obusomesa n'ojja mu nkoko biki? Mbagamba bannange, why do you want us to start our own businesses when we are very old? Why do you want us to retire when we can't do anything for ourselves? So, my dears, who is watching me, who is viewing me, bw'oba ondaba, lwaki oyagala otuuka okuritayalinga on that job wadde obuyinza eyo gye bakusasula? Lwaki oyagala oritayalinga nga gwe tokyasobola kwekolera bibyo gwe nga ggwe omuntu? Think about that. Ekiseera kigenda kutuuka nga obadde osobola okuyiriba emirimu gya boosi ogikola nakutuma eri nakutuma kiri n'okola kiri n'okola kiri, naye time ti will come nga tokyasobola. Bw'oba nga tokyasobola, kiki ky'opulaninze okukola gwe nga ggwe? So my dears, time is limited. Think about it. Nga bwe tuyingira n'omwaka omupya, time is limited. Bwe kibona okiteeka mu bwongo ojja kumanya kiki kyenzizaako. Then another thing I wanted to share with you is focusing on what you want. Well, some people, we have our visions. Ng'olina ebirooto byo, olina ky'oluubirira. Then olw'okuba tetufocusinga n'weesanga nga you've failed to do something you wanted to do because kigaanye okukolebwa nga ggwe bw'ali okibala, kigaanye okufaayo nga bwe wali okibala. For me, I can tell you, my dears, if you are having a plan of buying a plot of land, like for 5M, noba ng'ofunyeeko oyagala 5M, oyagala gula plot. I'm giving you an example. Kuba mugala kumbuzayo plot $1,500,000. Gyeziri eyo mu byalo, gyeziri. Kati bw'oba oyagala gula plot ya 5M n'okumekereza nga gwe ebbanga lye wabala nti nabala 2024 njagala gula plot 5M. 5M zigaanye olinawo mmeka? Kyokka bibuuza olinawo mmeka? Nti ninawo 3. Get that money, go and buy a plot of 3M. Why am I telling you that? Because you are going to stay with the 3M, gwe z'olaba z'ofunye, ate tezikumala oyagala ya million meka? 5. Ogenda kusigala with it, or keeping it somewhere, just within 1 month, jjajja wo akumenyeko akagere, maama wo amenyeko akagalo, brother wo ennyindo eveeko, embaata ebojje sister wo, okomekeze ng'ezaali 3M zifuuse 2.5M. Kiba kitegeeza ne ploti eya 3M tokyasobola kukola ki? Kugigula. So, my dears who are watching me, my sisters and brothers who are abroad, abali mu diaspora, my dears, bw'obanga obadde olina ekiruubirirwa kyo, olina target yo ya $5,000,000, nga Mukama akusobozezza n'ofunawo 3.5, kola ekyo ky'osobodde okukola. Because ojja linda ezo $5,000,000 zigaane okuwera. That's why sometimes these days bakubiriza nnyo abantu okwegatta, like okubeera ne busakozi, nti bwe mubeera mu busako $5,000,000 nzibu okuweza, naye bwe mubeera mu kibiina mwanguya okuweza $5,000,000. Naye kati obanga okyali bw'omu ng'oyagala $5,000,000, $5,000,000 zigaanye ofunyeko $3,000,000, noonya plot ejja mu $3,000,000, omanye nti newe nayo ogiguze. However much kyalo, one time kijja kukula efuuke ttawuni. 2, kigasa ki okubanga n'ekyalo tokiguze ate ne $3,000,000 z'olina nazo zeeyongera kendeera? Because sente cash, sente ng'olina cash si nnyangu. Mpozi naye abalina abazitegeera obulungi, naye abantu bwe tuli, nze bwe mba njogera ebintu bino, my dears, njogera n'abantu bwe tuli mu level yange. Oyinza okuŋŋaanya kyamole kati feega tutereka bukadde na bukadde, my dear soogera naawe. I'm talking with amma njogera nammwe abali mu level yange. That is it. So, my dears, thank you so much for supporting Molly Local Poultry Farm. Thank you so much for viewing my videos, for commenting, for liking. My returning viewers, thank you so much. I salute you. We still have Christmas offers at Molly Local Poultry Farm. Bw'ogula $12.15, we give you more 1 extra. Bw'ogula 100 chicks, we give you more 10 extra. Bw'ogula 1 month old chicks, we give you 1 extra chick. So those are the offers. They are running up to 31st January. So book with Molly, tukuwe kyewetaaga. We have trainings here at Molly Local Poultry Farm. Training $50,000 per head. Yeah. You call me before you come, then I will make a program for you. Then another thing I wanted to share with you is, my dears, if you are entering in this project, in this business of local chicken, Make sure that you target different people when it comes to marketing. Target different people, target different areas. Don't target only the people you stay with in the community or in the neighborhood. No, please, because you will end up not getting what you wanted to get. So, my dears, marketing is very crucial in this business of local chicken. Never know kolota nenga to marketing the products, so you will not move anywhere. Uh, then another thing about marketing, uh, get the people, the right people you should uh, share with. For example, not sharing. For example, get the co-farmers. When you get co-farmers, you will be able to move the business smoothly. You can't move this business. You can't run this business of local chicken alone. It's a wide thing. It's a wide thing. When it comes to treating that birds, you get some people who can give you some advice on such and such, a disease, what and what. Then when it comes to marketing, you may find that you have an order of like 1,000 the one odd chicks, and the eggs you have are not enough. Olina amagi matono oli alina ayagala order ya nkoko 1,000. Then they will sang and you cannot satisfy that market. So in local chicken you have what you call the outgrowers. Benguze koko zangi. All those I take them as my outgrowers. So for us we have that chance of getting some products from our outgrowers in order to satisfy the market we have, or the orders we have. So my dears, if you are entering this business of local chicken, funa abantu bewegattaka. If in the last video I called them shoulders of the giant. Funa abantu bewekwatako, where you can get the good breed, where you can get some advice, where you can get a market, and so many other things in order to run the business smoothly. Then I love you so much, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year.